In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view cookies in Google Chrome. To start, open Chrome and navigate to the website whose cookies you want to check. It's important to land on the exact page you're curious about, because Chrome shows you data that belongs to the site you're currently viewing. Once the page loads, look at the address bar. Next to the website address, you'll see the site controls icon. Depending on your version, it may look like a small lock or a set of sliders. Click that icon to open the Site menu. In the panel that appears, choose Cookies and Site Data. Think of this area as the control room for everything this page is storing on your device. It covers cookies as well as related local storage. The site may rely on for things like keeping you signed in, remembering preferences, or measuring performance. From here, select Manage on-Device Site Data. Chrome will open a detailed list of everything this website has saved locally. You'll see individual cookies grouped under the services that created them, along with data folders that power features such as caching and storage. This view is read only until you decide to take action, so it's safe to look around. As you browse the list, note the names of the services responsible for each entry. If you're troubleshooting a login that keeps looping, a cart that won't update, or a page that's throwing a stubborn error, you can remove specific items without wiping everything. To do that, click the trash can icon next to any entry you want to clear. Chrome deletes it immediately from your device. A couple of quick tips as you clean up. Removing a cookie may sign you out of the site, or reset settings like language and theme. So take a moment to identify the item you actually want to remove before you click. If you're unsure, remove one entry at a time, then reload the page to test the result. If the list is empty, it simply means this page hasn't stored anything yet, or it uses only third-party resources that don't appear here. That's it. You've viewed the cookies and on-device data for a specific site, and you know how to remove individual items when you need a quick refresh or a targeted fix. When you're done, close the panel and continue browsing.